Namaskar, I'm Samiksha Malankar from Kathak Beats. I'll be teaching you a semi-classical choreography on the song Badal Pe Pav Hai from the movie Chak De India. We had performed on the song a few months back and we'll be attaching the YouTube link for the same in our bio. You all can check it out before referring to the tutorial. So this tutorial will be broken down into two parts. So let's start with part 1. Before starting with the tutorial, let's make a few instructions clear. So I'll be mirroring the dance for you all. So this will be your right and this will be your left. Let's start. I hope you all enjoy. Let's begin. So for this first step, you will be lunging towards your left hand side, right way, like this. With this, your hands will be going in an outward direction, like 1, 2. We'll do it one more time. 1, 2. After this step, you will be taking your right leg while lunging. You will be taking your right leg directly behind, like this. After I reach here, you have to also lunge your right leg behind. Okay, let's do it from the top. The step goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. While doing this step, that is while taking the right leg behind, you all have to take your right hand out like this. And once you reach the lunging position, you have to take your left hand out. So the step is 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you reach here, you have to take both your hands from your left hand side above your head and turn from your left hand side and come to the front. We'll do it one more time. After you did this step, you'll be turning from like this from your left hand side and come to the front. After you come back to this position, you'll be taking both your hands diagonally backwards and at the same time to move your right leg out. And you'll be bending towards your right hand side. Make sure you're facing diagonally. After this step, you take your left hand back. And after this, you move your right hand out as if you're making a stroke in the downward direction. So the hand goes 1. Let's do it one more time. 1. Now there are 3 counts for it. So the hand goes like 1. For the second count, you bring it back. And for the third count, you take it up. Now with this, you'll have a neck movement as well. So for the first time, you'll be looking down. When you bring it back, your look will be behind, and for the third one, you'll be again looking at your hand. So with the counts, it goes like 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time from the top. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So from this position, in the next step, you'll be moving both your hands in a circular motion from left to right. The step goes like 1, 2. As you can see, you have to move your entire body and your hands not only from your elbows but also from your shoulders. Step goes like 1, 2. After you're done with this step, next step you come to is this. While doing this, I'm removing my right leg outside and bending towards my right. From this position, you'll be doing the same position on the left hand side. Here, the same thing follows. Your left hand will be placed near your right cheek, your left leg extends out and you'll be bending towards your left side. Also, your right hand will be placed here. Let's do it from this step. So the counts go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now the next step, there will be 4 spins included here. Now for the leg movement of the spins go like 1, 2, 3 and 4. As you all saw, we have to take the spins from the left hand side, and while taking the spins, you'll have to take your right leg up with every spin. So spin goes like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's there with a twist. With each and every turn, you have a different hand movement. So for the first spin, the hand movement is this. That is the basic. You take your hands out, you bring them back. For the second one, the hand movement is this. Third one is this. And fourth one is the plain spin. We'll try doing it in continuity with the spins. So step goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it a bit faster. The step goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it from the top but a bit slowly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Moving ahead from here, let's understand the footwork for the next step. The footwork goes, first you bring your right leg behind your left leg, then tap your left leg. So it goes right, left. After this, bring your right leg back ahead and tap right, left, right, left. So it goes right, left, right, left. After you're done, you have to spread both your legs outside and lunge on your right leg. So it goes 1. So from the start, right, left, right 2, 3, left 2, 3, lunge. The same will be done on the other side. So the legs, left, right, left 2, 3, right 2, 3, lunge. We'll do it one more time, a bit slowly. Left, right, left 2, 3, right 2, 3, lunge. Let's do it on the counts but a bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open. Let's understand the hand movements along with the footwork. So as you take your right leg behind, move both your hands in such a motion that you're scooping water. After this step, when you do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you have to keep scooping your right and your left hand in this way. Let's do it in connection. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After you're done with this step, you have to open your hands. Now while opening the hands, you have to first take them back and then do it like this. So that both the hands are in this position. So with connection with the first step, it goes like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open. Let's do it with the counts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open. The same will be done on your right hand side. So when you take your left leg behind, it's the same way you have to scoop your hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open. Let's do it a bit slowly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open. Okay, let's do it together a bit slowly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open. After this position, the next step you'll be doing is you'll be taking a turn from your right hand side with your right hand going up like this. The same will be done on the left hand side, turning your left hand up and coming back to the front. We'll be doing it from here. So from here you go like 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do it one more time from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After this, your hand goes up like 1 and 2. As you can see, it's as if I'm making an 8 in the air. So with this, my body will be first going up and my left leg will be coming up. I'll be showing it to you sideways. So the body goes like 1 and then 2. Now when I come back, my body faces down and my right leg goes up. The step will be 1, 2. Now while doing it in the front, it will be like 1 and 2. Let's do it from here. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. Let's do it at the original speed. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After you're done with this step, the next step is you first throw your right hand outside and take your left leg behind your right leg. And the left hand then comes on your shoulder like this. So after you're done with this, you do it this way. The same thing will be done on your left hand side. You throw your left hand outside. At the same time you take your left leg from behind to back to its place. Then move your right hand on your shoulder. So in connection with this step it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll be doing from this step in a bit faster speed. So the speed will be 1, 2, 3. Let's do it from the top. So step will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and open. 1, 2, 3 and open. 1, turn, 2, turn, bend, bend, 1. Now we'll be learning most fun part of the song. Be as candid as possible. So for the first step, the lyric goes like Socha kahan tha. You all can wonder by looking into different random directions and keeping your hand like this. Why this? This because it states a state of thinking. So it goes Socha kahan tha, and then you take the same finger and point it. Ye jo ho gaya. Still in a confused state. So it can go like Socha kahan tha, ye jo ho gaya. Then from here you're still wondering and then thinking that it's something a kind of reality. So you think Mana kaha tha, ye lo ho gaya. As you all can see, we can get a bit more happier that you're thinking it's your reality. So it's like Mana kaha tha, ye lo ho gaya. And then your alarming state comes. Chutki koi kaato na hai humko hosh mein. As you can see, once I got to know it was my reality, I got happy and started clapping in the happiness. So we'll do it from the top. It goes like Socha kaha tha, ye jo ho gaya. Mana kaha tha, ye lo ho gaya. Chutki koi kaato na hai humko hosh mein. Once you're done with the lyrics part, the next step goes where your leg movements are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what you have to do is you have to take your right leg behind your left leg and you have to bring them on 4 counts by tapping it for 4 counts. It goes like 1, 2, 3 and 4. With this your hands go like 1, 2, 3 and back to its position. So once you're done, चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हमको होश में, कदमों को is where you stop. Then after that the next step comes thamona. So for thamona, your right and then your left hand goes like this. So you have to place your right hand on your chest first, on which you then put your left hand. So it's like kadmon ko thamo. For the lyric na, it's like na, as if you cannot stop it because I'm really happy. So it goes kadmon ko thamo na. We'll do it from chutki 5, 6, 7, 8. चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हमको होश में, कदमों को थामो ये. After this, let's understand the leg movement for the next step. It goes right, left, flip, left, right, flip. Let's do it a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. With this, your hands go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you all can see, I'm facing my right palm outside first and my left palm inside. I flip for the next 3 counts. I flip them the other way around. So the step goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it a bit slowly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. At a faster speed, it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. The next step is you open both your hands diagonally on your shoulder level and you tap your leg 4 times. So now, for those who are learning Kathak, you all can do takita, 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 takita. For those who are not learning Kathak, can just tap your feet 4 times. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the Kathak learners, it goes takita, 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 takita. We'll be doing it with the previous step. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the next step, you turn to your right hand side and rotate both your hands inwards, and then you throw your right hand out. I'll show it in a bit slow speed. 1, 2, 3. So first what I did, I took my right inside, then my left inside, and then I threw my right hand outside. Let's do it a bit faster. 1, 2, 3. Now when I reach this position, with the help of my right hand, I turn from my left hand side and come back to the original position. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now it's a bit faster. So it goes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. After this, there's a jump like this. Now as you saw, while taking the jump, I make sure that both my legs should reach my buttocks. I am bending towards my right hand side. My left hand is above and both the palms are facing outside. Also my look is on my right hand side. So it goes 1, 2. Jump as high as you can so it looks a bit more better. Let's do it from this step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Let's do everything that we have learned today from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, open. 1, 2, 3, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया, चुटकी कोई काटू ना है हम तो होश में, कदमों को थामे है उड़ते जोश बादल पे. Let's do it on the music. Today's tutorial. We'll be back with the second part of the tutorial in a day. Till then, keep practicing and dancing. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube, Instagram and Facebook channel Kathak Beats. Thank you.